In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a question paper in just 2 minutes using Canva AI. If you're a teacher, tutor, or a student creating practice materials, this simple workflow will save you a lot of time while keeping things clear and professional. Once you're in Canva, start by clicking Create a Design. This opens a fresh workspace where your content will appear. Think of it as your blank canvas for the question paper you're about to generate. Next, look for Quick Actions and click Magic Write. Magic Write is Canva's AI tool that turns your instructions into ready-to-use text. It's great for generating structured content like questions, options, and even short explanations if you ask for them. Now it's time to give the AI a clear prompt. Type something like, "Create a 10-item multiple-choice question paper about math for beginners." Be as specific as you can. For example, you could include the level, topic, and format. Create a 10-item multiple-choice question paper on basic arithmetic for beginners, with 4 options per question and concise wording. The clearer your prompt, the better your results. You can also mention tone or constraints such as avoid trick questions or use simple numbers. If you want an answer, key included, say so in the prompt as well. Click Generate and let Canva AI do the heavy lifting. In a moment, you'll see a set of questions appear. Skim through the results to check that the difficulty level and vocabulary match your audience. If something looks off, you can refine your prompt and regenerate, or move on to quick edits. To edit, simply click the text and adjust anything you need. This is where you make the questions truly yours. Tweak wording for clarity, standardize the format of the options, and ensure each question has exactly one correct answer. If it's math, double-check calculations. If it's language or science, verify facts, spelling, and consistent terminology. You can also adjust the number of questions, rephrase items to fit your curriculum, or shuffle the order to reduce patterns in the correct answers. Keep an eye on readability. Short, direct questions are easier to assess and faster to solve. When you're satisfied, your question paper is ready to use or refine further with your own design choices. And that's how you make a question paper in 2 minutes using Canva AI.